Hey there, Singaporean investors. Tired of sifting through endless news, trying to figure out what truly matters for your SGX portfolio? Or maybe you're wondering how today's market moves impact your investments. Welcome to the Investing Iguana's Daily SGX Market Digest for September 15, 2025. I'm Iggy, and in the next few minutes, I'm cutting through the noise to bring you the critical updates, hidden insights, and Iggy's unique take on exactly what happened on the SGX today and what it means for your money. No jargon, just clear, actionable intelligence you won't find anywhere else. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2024 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers. We just crossed the 1 million mark for number of reads and 58,000 likes. I've produced over 1,000 videos with more than 600,000 watch hours as of August 2025. I also focus on regional and global economic trends, giving you that broader context. So let's dive into today's most important SGX movements. You don't want to miss what's impacting your portfolio right now. The Straits Times Index was mostly steady today, reflecting a cautious mood across regional markets. Investors seem to hold back after recent volatility in global energy and tech stocks, with many waiting for key US and Asia economic data this week. Now, let's zoom in on Citrium Limited, 5E2, SI, a major player in the offshore and marine energy solutions space. The standout news is that Citrium failed in its Singapore court appeal to block a $126.6 million rig contract payment to a customer. This legal battle goes back to a joint venture Citrium inherited from its merger with Keppel Offshore and Marine and Semcorp Marine in 2023. With the court officially dismissing Citrium's appeal, the customer gets paid under the letter of credit. But Citrium says the fight isn't over, and the JV will keep pushing to recover the funds. Despite this legal twist, Citrium's share price finished flat at $2.35 before the announcement. For investors, the key is to watch how this dispute plays out. Legal costs and possible write-downs could weigh on sentiment, but the company's broader offshore energy prospects remain. Another stock-making headlines is Jardine Cycle Carriage, CO7, SI, operating in the diversified holding sector with interests ranging from auto to agribusiness. The big news is Jardine C&C's subsidiaries are buying Indonesia-based gold mining company Arafura Surya Alam, ASA, for a total of $540 million. Post-acquisition, ASA will become an indirect subsidiary of Jardine C&C. The market liked this move, with the counter finishing Friday at $28.68, up $68 or 2.4%. This signals investors see long-term potential in diversifying into mining and resources, especially as global demand for commodities remains robust. Let's turn to Q&M Dental, QC7 SI, and Aoxin Q&M 1D4 SI, central players in Singapore's dental care sector. On Friday, Aoxin Q&M Dental's wholly owned subsidiary signed an MOU with Singapore Dental CAD/CAM Laboratory, fully owned by Q&M Dental's main shareholder. This proposed joint venture aims to provide dental laboratory services, including making porcelain crowns, bridges, and dentures, as well as developing dental inlay technology. Shares of Q&M Dental ended 3.2% higher at $0.40, suggesting the market is upbeat about this potential collaboration. Aoxin Q&M stayed flat at $0.63, probably pending more details. Investors should watch for how this partnership might improve both companies' market positioning and service offerings in a growing healthcare sector. All right, let's pull all of today's movements together into Iggy's daily market take. What we've seen on the SGX today, from legal tussles in the energy space to bold expansions in mining and strategic tie-ups in healthcare, really underscores one thing. There's more to the market than just headline numbers. The most crucial takeaway today, in my opinion, is how corporate actions and management decisions, whether it's winning or losing in court, branching out into new industries, or joining forces for innovation, can move stock prices just as much as macro trends. It's a timely reminder. Don't just focus on the charts. Keep a close eye on company news and management updates, because surprises, good or bad, can land at any time. Today's moves also highlight the value of having a diversified portfolio and not being overly exposed to one sector or headline risk. That's the scoop for the SGX today, September 15th, 2025. Navigating these daily market shifts is crucial for your wealth growth right here in Singapore. If you found this digest helpful and want to get my real-time analysis, urgent insights, and a daily heads-up on crucial market movements delivered to you up to a week before anyone else sees them, then our premium membership is for you. It's just $3 a month, about the price of a cup of coffee. Think of it as your daily dose of market foresight directly from my desk. Ready to stay ahead in the Singapore market? Just click the link in the description below to become a member. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow investors, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on today's market. I always read them.